Hey YouTube, what's up? 35 New Boys here. My friend is filming. We are gonna do ourselves some bird hunting. So, this is his pellet gun. It's a Daisy. It's Daisy Powerline 880. And we're trying to get some of them to come with these crackers. Show them the crackers. We have these crackers that we're trying to get them to come with. We're probably gonna go get some birdseed later. Here's some birds he shot. A little Tweety bird. Tail fell off. And then an oriole. It's a nice one. Okay, so Billy thinks he saw a bird. And we're gonna try to get us a bird for you. If you can hear that, that's a bird. Here, he takes it. He got it. A nice little one. Let's go get ourselves some more.